You wake up to a dream where all cars can fly. Imagine never waiting in traffic again. Every car now has wings soaring above the city. Fly directly from your garage to the rooftop office. Children gaze in wonder at the flying cars above them. The ground becomes eerily quiet as the sky fills with noise. Humanity has lifted off, embracing this new era. Chaos erupts in the sky as cars collide mid-air. People park on building roofs without permission. Privacy disappears as cars fly past your window. New laws are rushed to handle the chaos. Sky traffic lights are installed, but are ineffective. Air traffic controllers are overwhelmed by the traffic. Accidents happen daily, turning dreams into nightmares. Tune into the news report, Sky Chaos, for more. In a world where the rich build flying mansions, their homes never touch the ground. Meanwhile, the poor struggle with rising fuel costs. Just trying to make it to work every day. Nature suffers as birds become endangered, and the fallout of progress is evident. The rich look down at the ground dwellers, who can only stare with envy at their lofty lives. This is a divided city sky where progress isn't for everyone. Are we happier? We save time commuting, but at what cost? We've lost the ground, the joy of walking, and seeing our neighbors. The absence of street cafes takes away the small pleasures. We lost the feeling of earth beneath our feet. Progress promised freedom, yet we are floating without purpose. Is a life in the sky truly better than a life on the ground? Subscribe for more what-if scenarios.